KairaliProperties.com, a globally operated real estate company providing superior service to our customers. Let's see how to see the details of the property in KairaliProperties.com. From the properties list or the hot properties list, you will be interested in knowing more details of a particular property. Click on the image of the property to bring up the tablet view. The tablet view contains additional details of the property as well as an ability to view all the properties for sale from the seller of the selected property. The complete details of the property can be found by clicking on arrow button on the bottom of the tablet view. Let's click on the button to bring up the complete details of the property. As we come down the page, we can see all the details associated with this property, including the images. Once the details are reviewed, you can contact the seller by clicking on the Contact Seller button. This will show the contact details of the seller, and you are welcome to contact the seller regarding the sale of the property. If you prefer contacting the seller through an email from KairaliProperties.com, you can fill in the message in this box and click on Email Seller button. When you click on Email Seller button, KairaliProperties.com sends an email to the seller with the message you specified in the screen. You can also email the link to this property to an email address. To do this, click on Email a Friend button on this screen. Once the details are entered on this screen, click on Send button. When you click on Send button, KairaliProperties.com sends an email to the email ID you specified on the screen with a link to the property. By clicking on the link in this email, the recipient can immediately come to the details page of the specific property from which the link was sent. Click on View More brings you back to the property listing page.